Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Falouda dessert. I know Eid is coming, it's around the corner, and we say Bakra Eid, but in general we're gonna say Eid. So during this season I just want to show you a very simple and very tasty dessert which I call my Falouda dessert. But before I show you the ingredient, let me just thank you all for your sweet comment. Please subscribe to my channel Laila Jugon and like my videos and keep bringing your sweet comments. So for the ingredient, we are going to use agar, which is China grass. We need whole milk, we need rose syrup, condensed milk, Nestle cream, ground almond, sliced almond, and ground cardamom. I also have about 2 cups of water in my saucepan, and I am going to start. Let's go begin making the dessert. So I turned the heat over medium high right now, and I'm not gonna wait for the water to boil. I'm just gonna add this. Oops, I'm making so much noise. So I'm just gonna add this China grass, and all I want here is everything to be melted completely. Okay, so I add a little bit of more water, like about 3 cups, because this was going too thick and I want this to be melted completely. And now I am going to add the milk, condensed milk, cardamom, ground almond, and give it a good mix. And now I'm gonna eyeballing. You're gonna need between 1 to 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, just until your desired color. The jelly is starting to boil, and I'm gonna add. I use a hand whisk just to make sure that everything has been mixed very well. And now I'm gonna add this Nestle cream. Just gonna continue mixing with the hand whisk. And if you see little pieces of this cream on top floating, that's okay. Don't worry about it, don't panic, just leave it. It's dessert and this is how it's supposed to be. If you don't see it, it's okay. If you see it, it's still okay. So let's bring this to a boil. All right, so now our jelly, our dessert is boiling. Now heat off. So I'm just gonna use 2 of these loaf pans. They are different shape, and pour your jelly, making sure you don't lose any. Just leave them like that. Don't do anything, don't touch anything. And these little pieces that you see, it's the almonds, the ground almonds. This is actual ground almond. It's not almond flour or almond meal. It's real ground almond. So there's little chunk in it. So it's been 20 minutes. I'm just gonna add the almond now. If you add the almond right away, it will definitely sink. So now that way the almond will stick a little bit to the jelly. So this is going to be like cut into slice kind of Falouda. You can do different mold, or you can just do individual serving bowl for your guests, stuff like that. You can also garnish this with pistachio. Okay, so now we're just gonna let it set completely. After like this get cool, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then we will be able to flip this over and then cut into slices. So it's gonna take you about an hour or two in the fridge for this to be set. And for now I'm just gonna leave you guys, and I will see you in another video with another great recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye.